Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Labs 92. Today is a windy sunny day and it's beautiful outside. And as you know, Lionel Messi is the current best soccer player at the current time, and he is my favorite player. And yesterday I asked my friend to print for me a picture of Lionel Messi on a A4 paper. And you know, this is the picture, this is the result. I bet you cannot see this picture of Lionel Messi. Here, I think this is the smallest picture of Lionel Messi in the world. I bet he is just kidding me. And that's okay, that's alright. I will put it under my microscope to see what happens. And I bet this is the smallest picture of Messi I ever know. As you know, I have 8 size font here, from font size 1 to font size 8, and I will show you how small it is. When you see the font size 1, you almost cannot see anything. I don't know why microscope. I don't know why Microsoft create this type of size. You almost cannot see anything. And now I will put it under microscope to see. I chose a type of size, and this is a size of 6. And you can see it's still sharp. And this is size of 5. And this is the size of 3. And this is the size of 1, the smallest size of Microsoft on the Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.